Hey guys, so I'm preparing something very quick for Myra's lunch tomorrow, and I'm experimenting it first time. So I thought I must just share with you guys. So I had one pack of this ramen noodle which I've boiled. I have some oil here heating. Prepped some vegetables, broccoli. I have broccoli. This is some cilantro, tomato, and onion. And I made I made basically guacamole for dinner right now, just really quickly because the days are very okay. Let me adjust this properly. The days are so hectic, and I don't really have time to cook elaborate meals, so I'm just trying to mix and match everything. And I'm just trying to do a quick fix for Myra's lunch tomorrow. I'm meeting outside tomorrow. I have a team lunch, and I will prepare something for my husband. But so let's start without any further. Okay, this is not heating. I should probably switch on this properly. Okay, now this is heating. Let me start the recipe and show you what I'm doing. So let's quickly start with my experimental recipe, and I'm going to. Okay, so let's quickly start with my experimental recipe. Some olive oil is heating. I'm going to add some bagel seasoning for flavor, a little bit. This is everyday bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's, and then I am going to lightly mix this, and I have these chopped vegetables, so I will start adding this. Here goes some garlic, some onion, little bit of onion. Let me see if you guys can see it. And then I have some jalapeno left from guacamole that I just prepared. So basically for us right now dinner, we are just going to eat guacamole toast. I have some bread left. We're going to just quickly combine that. So lightly saute everything together. This is cilantro, onion, some jalapeno. It was not very spicy, so this will be fine. And then I have some broccoli florets for veggies. A little bit of that. Everything I'm just chopping as it is. It should be. It is going to be a very quick recipe. I'm not sure how much it's going to turn out, but I'm trying. And then I have some cut asparagus here. I started keeping them in the box so that I can actually pull them easily and add them to my recipe. I'm gonna chop them into quarter or small bite-sized pieces. Here goes some asparagus. I'm going to lightly cook all these veggies by adding some salt and pepper. And I'm going to make it very Indianized. Like I'm going to add all the little spices and very little sauces here. I have one chopped tomato also that I'm going to add right now. And some tomato ketchup actually. So lightly saute everything. All the veggies should maintain their crunch. It should not be very cooked. I'm just trying to experiment this for Myra's lunch tomorrow. I hope she eats it. She's really a picky eater and she doesn't eat much. I have to actually sit down with her and feed her after she comes back. And here goes one chopped tomato for flavoring. Let's mix this. And then I'm going to start adding some spices. Here goes some coriander, some turmeric, some red chili, some tomato ketchup. Kids actually like things a little sweet, so I've added that. And then I'm going to add some soya sauce. I'm going to eyeball and add it a little bit, and let's mix everything properly. This is how the vegetables are looking like. They should maintain their crunch. And now I have these ramen noodles. I'm going to just toss them here, and add salt as required. Rudolph, you want to see what I'm cooking? Rudolph is here to accompany me. Okay. I've also added some salt while cooking the noodles, so I don't think I might need to add too much. So I will just give it a taste test and see how this is tasting. Very quick fix noodle recipe with whatever you have in hand. I just had one bag of ramen noodles, so I just made it with one bag. So let me try this and see what it needs to have more. Let me give it a taste test. Little bit of ketchup. Little bit of ketchup is good, okay for Myra. And I will also add a little bit of water because this tends to absorb a lot of moisture and it becomes very dry. So let's add some water. Just a dash bit of water. And then let's mix this and close the lid and let it sit. And then I will show you how this is looking like finally. Okay, so let me show you how this looks.